Hi, today you'll learn how to create a headed paper in Microsoft Word in less than 5 minutes. Here is the challenge for you. Compare these two letters. Let's name them A and B. Which one appears professional and credible to you? Just type A or B in the comment section. Don't swipe away, please. You are the champion whose comment I'm waiting for before I proceed. My name is Kasawa, and let's get started. First, organize the header section with company details. For example, the school name here is Joema Cyber School, then web address, then the post office, box number, and location. Sometimes you may have to include telephone. Insert a logo of the company within the header section. Make sure this image doesn't have a background. This image disorganizes text, as you can see. You can use this shortcut or click picture format, then wrap text. Test the different wrap text that are available for you, and then choose the one that best suits your needs. Personally, I prefer tight. Hold the corner image handles to adjust the size of the image to a suitable one. Bring the pointer to the image center, press and hold the left button of your mouse, and then move it to the position which you want. Designate a place for the date of issue. Now your header looks like this. Okay, we are going to do one more very important thing. Adding a picture watermark of the company logo. Let's go. Click Design, Watermark, Custom Watermark, Picture Watermark, and then click Select Picture and choose where to find your image. For this demo, I will choose from a file and then browse to find the image. Keep scale to auto, but if you want, you can change it, and washed out should be checked. This is how your headed paper looks like now. You can now type the text which you want. For this case, it is the admission text. I'm just going to paste because I already typed my text. Yes, you see, this is the final letter of admission. If you find these steps helpful, but want to master Microsoft Office even much faster, I offer personalized one-on-one computer lessons tailored specifically to your goals. Whether it is for school, work, or business, I can help you become an expert. For inquiries, the WhatsApp number is in the bio or description, but I have also projected it on the screen here so you can access it. Let's level up your skills together. For more tutorials like this, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you are the first to know each time I upload. See you in the next one.